We reiterate that this matter holds significant public interest, and we remain committed to an expeditious examination of the petitions. Therefore, we will further provide directions within this ruling. Consequently, the following orders are hereby issued. 1. The applications for conservatory orders are hereby disallowed. 2. The conservatory orders issued on 18th of October 2024 in Keregoya High Court E015/2024 are hereby discharged and or set aside. Costs of these applications shall be incurred. We grant leave for appeal, typed proceedings, and certified copies of this ruling to be availed to parties at cost or as it may be. We will mention this matter on 7th of November 2024 at 2 p.m. in the open court. This ruling shall forthwith be uploaded in the court tracking system. That is the ruling of the court.
Most obliged, my lord, and I have an
Much obliged, my lord. We want to take this opportunity to thank your lordships for the time that you have taken and the judiciousness with which you have expedited the applications. And I also want to thank my colleagues from the respondent side and from the applicant side for the maturity with which this matter has been handled. We are most grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
My lord, my name is Ochiel Dudley for the Deputy President, and I wish to make an application. The application I wish to make is called the Madhu Pepper Injunction. Madhu Pepper International, quite a famous case. In the common law, it's called the Erin Ford Injunction. My lord, the Madhu Pepper Injunction operates on quite a simple premise, the premise of human fallibility. In the case of Erin Ford, where that injunction originates, Justice Megari, after dismissing an application for injunction like you have now, found still that there could be the slightest chance that he was wrong. Here, there could be the slightest chance that you're wrong. Last week, this court gave the Deputy President leave to appeal. We thank the court for that generosity. The Deputy President has appealed. He also has pending before the Court of Appeal an application for stay of these proceedings, and that application comes up on the 6th of November 2024. My lord, operating on the premise of human fallibility, the foundation of the Erin Ford or Madhu Pepper injunction, we request you to recognize that you could be wrong. And if you're wrong, then the pending proceedings before the Court of Appeal would be rendered nugatory. To avoid that possibility, the possibility that the Deputy President's right to appeal, which you recognized and affirmed and upheld by giving him leave to appeal, even where he needed none, we ask you to issue a Madhu Pepper injunction. We do not seek an indefinite injunction. We seek an injunction until 6th of November 2024, when we are next before the Court of Appeal. Thank you, my lord.
My lord,
we also have a moment to bite the cherry.
The Black Bull, okay.
Yeah. My lords, I want to associate myself with the submissions made by my learned friend, and also state that I have listened keenly to the ruling that has been delivered by this honorable court. While we largely disagree with it and we have a right of appeal, your lordship, it is imperative for us to know or to assess how that office of the Deputy President will be filled. This court has affirmed its commitment to observe the rule of law and protect the Constitution as decreed under Article 3 of the Constitution. It follows, therefore, your lordship, my ladies, that the filling of that vacancy must flow or must follow the Constitution. And as such, your lordship, and as much as I have not heard the court address that very pertinent issue, it is my submission, your lordship, that I rise under Rule 23. Beg your pardon. Rule 23 and Rule 24 of the Mutunga Rules. And I make an application, your lordship, that pending the determination of this application done under Rule 24, thus this honorable court does issue conservatory orders suspending the swearing in of Professor Kithure Kindiki on the following grounds. Your lordship, Article 10 of this Constitution, of the Constitution, bids this honorable court to observe the rule of law. It further calls upon this honorable court to commit itself to ensure that there is good governance, there is accountability and transparency in the manner in which matters are done or functions are executed.
My lord, with your kind permission,
it's an application.
Mr. Jero has referred to an application for which he's seeking some orders pending, but we haven't